Well, you're not going to find better products for sale online when it comes to LiveGood's menu of yummy. All right. When you go to the products tab and you can see each product and it's broken down with exact ingredients. Okay. Is it called proprietary? That's where you kind of like have like a blend and you kind of just mix things up and keep the back of your product, sticker kind of vague. That's not how we work at LiveGood. I totally trust that we have the best products because you can see exactly what is in each container there on my mini fridge, or even if you go to the website. So let me just show you. If you go to livegood.com, anybody can see the products, okay? You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy anything. You can go to walmart.com, amazon.com, GNC. There's a million places you can go to buy things online. All right, with LiveGood, boom. Just go to the products tab and go through any one of these items here. Okay, we have shirts and hats and package deals and stuff, but I highly recommend like super reds and super greens. I'm really into protein powder. I'm scared of getting skinny and whittling away. I'm almost 60 and I weigh 220. Man, I love it. All right, I want to be big and strong so I can rock and roll, okay, in my Def Leppard shirt. So for example, Super Reds is the product that got me aboard, okay? I was taking a product called Super Beets. And it's been everywhere. You'll see like what is his name? Dr. Gundry talk about Super Beets and the benefits. Well, it's expensive. It's anywhere like 50 some odd bucks to your door. Tiny little container. They say it lasts 30 days and it doesn't. It lasts 20 days. So you're spending like 50 bucks every 20 days on Super Beets. I found out about Super Reds. I looked at it. The container's bigger. It's way cheaper at 18 bucks if you're a member. Even if it's 24 bucks, it's half off, okay? And then on top of that, Super Reds is organic, where Super Beets is not. So you can check out organic Super Beets, the exact description of what it is, the exact ingredients. You can see all the seals of approval, how to use it. And of course, we have direct competition just right up on our website that you can verify anywhere, like on Amazon, or go to superbeets.com, for example, and see, you're going to pay 40 bucks plus shipping for Super Beets. You're going to pay 70 bucks and more for Organifi, or you can go get Super Reds for only 18 bucks. Okay? Like I said, you're not going to beat the pricing or the ingredients. All right? I'll put LiveGood ingredients against any other competitor out there. All right? We are just as good as you can get when it comes down to these products. Okay? And you're not going to beat the price because we're a wholesale company. We don't commission sales of products. We don't jack up Super Reds to 80 bucks. It costs like 15 bucks to make. Then the other 50 bucks goes to the upline and the ownership. Then you get like $1.50. Okay. We're not an MLM like that. Okay. Well, otherwise I wouldn't even be here. I can't stand MLMs. CBD oil. If you need energy, check out E3. All right. Amino acid punch. I have that sitting over my shoulder here on my mini fridge. If you have aches and pains, check out CBD oil, even for your pets. Collagen's important for your, hair, skin, nails. All right. Creatine essential oils. Check it out. Okay. Now, after you go to the LiveGood website, just check out the FAQ section too. Right there. FAQ. Click it. Of questions right there on your screen, right on your cell phone. Okay. Let me put myself over here to the right. There we go. You can see account management, comp plan, membership, order, shipping, anything to do with being a member or an affiliate of the product or products is on the website. Okay, you don't have to make your own website. If you join for $49.95, you have this website. You are an affiliate. 40 bucks, one and done. All you got to do is $9.95 a month, and you're spending that anyway because you're going to want to get full wholesale pricing on the product. So go to the products tab, go to the FAQ tab, then go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of your website. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. And all you do is click it. Now, you can read the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side, because remember, you don't buy products to earn commissions with us. We commission the membership side, which is 5 times better and 1,000 times easier, in my opinion, of course. Okay. Just go to the bottom of the comp plan tab or the pay plan tab, because you're going to see this YouTube video produced by LiveGood. Okay. All right. It's her right there. Look at how pretty. All right. Say hello to her and click that button there. It's just a YouTube video. It explains the comp plan, the pay plan, the affiliate pay plan, call it whatever you want. Watch it 2 or 3 times. It's easier than me explaining it to you, which you're going to forget. Please don't try to explain the comp plan to anybody if you join. Just have everyone go to this video right here. Okay, that's the easiest way to go. You can read here too. Here's the 7 ways we get paid, but 50% of 1% on level number 6, and then this goes to 50% of 1%, and no one cares. Everyone wants to watch the video, okay? So here's the 3 things I recommend. Go to the pay plan or affiliate pay plan link at the bottom of your cell phone or just a web page. Go to the FAQ and go to the products, okay? And then I hope if you join, you just copy what I do. I'll have over 500 people signed up by the end of summer, okay? It's about April right now of 2025, okay? So in 2 years, we've signed up 2 million people. Pretty cool, huh? We have millions of dollars going out per week of products worldwide in over 200 and something countries. And it's pretty cool. All right, great company. This company will probably sign up around 5 to 10 million, and we're only at 2 million now. We're averaging about 1 million signups per year, which is outstanding. That's insane. By far the biggest success story in 2023 and 2024, and we're on par of just having record numbers in 2025 as well. Okay, we are not burned out. This is not saturated. Hardly anyone knows about LiveGood. And the people that do join LiveGood, you know what? Most people just buy the products and they're happy. Why not be an affiliate like myself, where for $40, 2 $20 bills, and then make a video like this, tell people to go to your link. In my case, joincory.com. If you have any email list of people looking to make maybe, I don't know, extra money at home on their cell phone, maybe you just have friends, family, or if you want to go on social media and just ask people, hey, guys, are you looking for this? Are you looking for that? You know what? Let me know. I have a link. Mine's joincory.com. Go check it out. Watch that 5-minute video produced by LiveGood, by the way. You don't have to do any video like what I'm doing like right now. I just bought a webcam. I set it up on my desk here, and I yak with one of those little circular lights blinding me. That's why I wear these reflective glasses. I want to wear sunglasses, but I'd look kind of like a like a dip shiot, if you know what I mean, if I wear sunglasses inside a commercial building here. But anyway, this is, I guess, the technique, the style, the way that I do it. Is there gossip? Is there's that secret sauce? How do you sign up people and live good? I just keep things fun. I do like to make videos that are about, maybe 10 minutes long. When I get to the 10-minute mark, I try to wrap up. You can do TikTok and Instagram. Of course, you can email any of the social media platforms. Awesome. Most people use social media a lot. I call it social median. All right. Are you social median? All right. I'm talking. I'm yakking. I'm snacking. I'm actually hungry. I'm going to have me probably some chicken noodle soup for lunch. That sounds good right now. But anyway, guys, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I've had the same email address for 35 years. You can find me anywhere. Just Google my name or search my name on Facebook. Just inbox me there if you have any questions. And if you're watching my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, because I try to put anywhere from 2 to 5 videos. Sometimes I go as high as 5 to 10 videos per day on a handful of businesses that I do online, and they all complement LiveGood. Okay, which is awesome. That's all you need is eyeballs. All right, you have 2 eyeballs. I have a couple. And when I saw the opportunity, it took me a month or 2, and I finally pulled the plug and said, man, let me dive right into this affiliate marketing thing and live good. It's affordable. It's $9.95 a month, 40 times one time. That's it, $40, 40 smackaroos. All right, and that's all you got to do to be an affiliate. Okay, and buy the products. And if you don't like them, you got 3 months, no questions asked. Get your money back. It's a hell of a warranty, 90 days. All right, all those products right there. If I bought them 80 days ago and I just pour out all the contents in a bowl or something and just mail them back within 90 days to live good, they just give me my money back. Okay? Can't beat it. All right, so check out the products. Go to the website, go to the products tab, the FAQ tab, and the pay plan tab, and keep things easy. Okay? Joincory.com. If you don't mind, let me just show you my screen one more time. There's my business cards. I made it Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com for like $11 at GoDaddy, and it just forwards to this page right here. Okay, put in your name, watch this little YouTube video, put your name and email address right there, click that little orange button, and you'll get an email from LiveGood with more information, or you can just join. Open up that LiveGood email and you can join from there, okay? All right, my work is done. It looks like I just hit the 10-minute mark. So, guys, thanks for your time and subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? All right, I'm out of here. Peace and love. We'll talk to you next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.